Here we have a very old but very cool vintage Canon 310 XL. It's made in Japan and it came on the market on August 1975. The original price was 44,500 yen. That's around $310. It is the sister model of the 514 XL. And it is one of the most popular vintage cameras back in 1975, but also now. The 310 and the 514 XL are both very popular models. They work very good. Sometimes they have a couple of internal problems. The camera is made of plastic. It also has some leather on the left and right side of the camera. It feels very good, well built, and it feels very light. When you open the camera, you can put here your Super 8 cartridge. As you can see, there are missing some light seal pieces. It's a very common problem, but this problem you can fix very easily by yourself. When you put the batteries in it, you can turn the camera on like this. And when you push the button, it will work. Because of the age of this model, sometimes the zoom function doesn't work properly. So you need to test it if you want to buy it, or you need to see that it works very good. First of all, you can test it by manual. Just pull and push the manual function up or down. But how it's supposed to work is when you turn on the zoom function with the buttons on top of the camera, like I show you on this shot, then it's supposed to work very smoothly and not that it's stopping, it goes, stops, goes. That's not good. And here you see the CCA filter. You use this when you are shooting outside with daylight, and when you are shooting inside, in home for example, then you turn the switch off. And with the red plate you can control the exposure. And now I'm gonna put a Super 8 cartridge, and when you turn it on, it will film. And here you see the film meter. This indicates for how long you have filmed so far, and that's very useful. Overall, this is a very good working Canon 310 XL, and I will upload a more in-depth video soon, so please subscribe, leave a comment, and I want to thank you all. Bye!